The critically acclaimed UK-based dance company Motion House is coming to the Keys for the first time. They will be performing at the Tennessee Williams Theater for one night only on January 25th. Now, the piece they are bringing to town is titled Scattered. This piece is actually based on the water, so it is just perfect for Key West. And from what I've heard, the whole performance is simply stunning and a must-see experience. Sophie, thank you for joining me this morning.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Well, Sophie, it's exciting that Motion House is coming to the Keys. I know this is also their first time touring America in general.
Absolutely, yeah. They've been around since 1988 in the UK, and they've toured to places like Romania, and they've been all over the place. They've come back from China, but they've never been to North America. So they're really excited. They're actually further up in Florida at the moment. They've been to Gainesville, and they're arriving here on Thursday evening. So they're only here for one day on Friday, and I'm really hoping that Key West just opens their arms and gives them a great big welcome.
Well, I am sure they will, and they definitely should get that warm welcoming, because it sounds like Scattered is a piece that you have to experience.
It's an absolute must-see. Yeah, I mean, Motion House has a history of just bringing these epic, amazing pieces. It's a dance theatre company, so it's not just dance. They involve film, they involve circus skills, and their dancers are like athletes, you know. They can run up the stage, and Scattered is just a brilliant example of that. The set is one big sloping set. It takes up the whole stage. So it's all got these film projections, and it's covered in water. They're basically diving down waterfalls. They're jumping and hanging. They're going to be flying. It's just great. It's a great one to see. Don't miss it.
That sounds so exciting. And Sophie, they're learning from the best, because you actually taught some of these dancers.
I taught them when they were back at college. I know some of the dancers. Yeah, look out for Junior, look out for Jade Barton. Some of these dancers, you know, they've been dancing for a long time, and it takes such dedication, but Motion House can really bring out some extra skills. So yeah.
Now, how long have you been teamed up with Motion House yourself, Sophie?
So recently, I mean, dance in Key West, for example, is, you know, it's one of those up-and-coming art forms. We've got a great literary history with Hemingway. We've got a great artistic culture here. But I was just involved with the Nutcracker in December, and when I was over at the theatre, the guy there at the theatre said, "Oh, do you know this company, Motion House?" I was like, "Yeah, I do." He said, "Well, they're coming over," and I ran home and I emailed them and I said, "Oh, can I help you? Can I get involved?" So really recently for me, but I've known of them for years. I mean, yeah, they're great.
And how do they compare with some of the other dance companies that we see here in the States, Sophie?
Well, it's interesting. We have a Key West Dance Company coming through with Kyla. She was on here, you know, she's great, and so I'm really excited that they're going to hopefully be able to collaborate maybe in the future.
Good.
We've got a lot of dance here in the US. Contemporary is always an up-and-coming, it's always a changing art form, and Motion House is really at the cutting edge of that.
Good. Yeah. Well, it sounds like it, especially with this play, Scattered.
Yeah.
And the slope that they have on stage.
Yeah, it's a stage-wide set. Yeah, so it creates a scope for them to jump, to run. They're using bungee. I don't want to give too much away.
Yeah.
You know,
you don't have to. Everybody just needs to come and see it.
Absolutely, must see.
And tickets are still available.
Absolutely, yep. They're available at Tennessee Williams Theatre. It's January 25th, 8 o'clock, so it's a late one. But yeah, you can go along and find tickets.
And check them out.
Yeah.
And we're actually going to give our viewers a little preview of them this morning and show a quick clip of one of their recent performances entitled Voyage. So enjoy.